Welcome back to ProMonk, your trusted channel for the latest and most honest mobile reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the brand new Samsung Galaxy A16, the most awaited budget smartphone of 2025. Samsung has once again proven that even affordable phones can look premium and perform like a beast, and the Galaxy A16 is the perfect example of that. Let's begin with the design. At first glance, the Galaxy A16 looks far more expensive than it actually is. The back panel has a smooth matte glass finish that reflects light beautifully, and the triple camera module blends perfectly with the body. The frame is sleek, slightly curved for comfort, and the overall look feels modern and minimal. Samsung has really refined its mid-range aesthetics here. On the front, you get a large 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a full HD Plus resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, the contrast is rich, and the viewing experience is truly immersive, something you rarely see in this price segment. Whether you're watching Netflix, scrolling social media, or gaming, the Galaxy A16's display will make every moment pop. Powering the phone is the Exynos 1380 processor, which brings strong performance for everyday use and even moderate gaming. Combined with 6GB or 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage, this device handles multitasking like a pro. Switching between apps feels smooth, and Samsung's new One UI 7, based on Android 15, enhances the overall experience with cleaner animations and better customization options. Battery life is another highlight. The 6000 mAh battery ensures you can easily go through 2 days of normal use, and with 25W fast charging, you're back to full power in no time. Samsung has also done a great job optimizing battery usage, so background apps won't drain your charge unnecessarily. Now let's talk about what most users care about, the camera setup. The Galaxy A16 features a 50MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro lens.